गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज का हमारा वीडियो है स्टैंडर्ड हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोड, हाउ टू मेजर relative electrode potential of an electrode. Before we move on to the topic, if you like this video, please do press the like button, share and subscribe as much as you can. Thank you. Now let us move on to the topic. हमने इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल किया है, उसमें हमने बात की कि लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे हमारा ऑक्सीडेशन हाफ सेल होता है, राइट हैंड साइड पे हमारा रिडक्शन हाफ सेल होता है और इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो है ऑक्सीडेशन हाफ सेल से रिडक्शन हाफ सेल की तरफ मूव करते हैं और तभी करंट जो है प्रोड्यूस होता है। नाउ अगर ऑक्सीडेशन हाफ सेल नहीं है तो रिडक्शन नहीं हो सकती है, इसी तरह रिडक्शन हाफ सेल नहीं होगी तो ऑक्सीडेशन नहीं होगी। तो प्रोसेस को करवाने के लिए हमें दोनों हाफ सेल्स की जरूरत है। अकेले को हम ऑपरेट नहीं कर सकते हैं, इसलिए एब्सोल्यूट इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल की वैल्यू को निकाला नहीं जा सकता है। वी कैन ओनली फाइंड द रिलेटिव इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल। तो टू फाइंड द रिलेटिव मीन्स कंपैरेटिव, एक इलेक्ट्रोड के मुकाबले में दूसरे की वैल्यू कितनी है वो निकालने के लिए इस डिफिकल्टी को सॉल्व किया हमने एक इलेक्ट्रोड को एज रेफरेंस इलेक्ट्रोड ट्रीट किया और उसकी जो भी इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल की वैल्यू है उसको हमने अज्यूम कर लिया कि वो जीरो है। वी हैव आवरसेल्व्स फिक्स्ड द पोटेंशियल एज जीरो। ऐसा जो इलेक्ट्रोड है हमने लिया स्टैंडर्ड हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोड। तो ये जो डायग्राम है, दिस इज ऑफ अ स्टैंडर्ड हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोड। इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ प्लैटिनम वायर विच इज सील्ड इन दिस ग्लास ट्यूब। ये हिल नहीं सकती है यहाँ पे। एंड दिस प्लैटिनम wire has a platinum foil attached to it. This platinum foil is coated with finely divided platinum black. This foil acts as the electrode. This assembly is dipped into a solution of hydrogen ions which are maintained at 1 molar concentration. So we have dipped this platinum electrode in 1 molar hydrochloric acid solution. And pure hydrogen gas at a pressure of 1 bar is passed through this assembly. That means platinum is in contact with hydrogen gas at 1 bar pressure. Now this surface of the platinum foil will act as a site for reaction, and both kind of reactions may occur if this half cell is to act as an anode. Then in that case the hydrogen molecules will give electrons to form hydrogen ions which will go into the selection, and electrode will act as a source of electron. Standard hydrogen electrode as anode. In case it acts as a cathode, then hydrogen ions in the solution will go to the electrode, gain electrons and form hydrogen gas. The electrode potential of any electrode can be used by attaching this electrode with it. For example, we may attach it with the zinc electrode. Zinc will act as anode, hydrogen will act as cathode. Whatever is the EMF of the cell we can find out, and from the formula of EMF of the cell we can find out the reduction potential for zinc. By convention, the standard hydrogen electrode has its value fixed as 0. Now जिस भी इलेक्ट्रोड की वैल्यू हम हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोड को रेफरेंस इलेक्ट्रोड बना के मेजर करते हैं, उस वैल्यू को उसका इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल कहा जाता है। सो द इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल ऑफ अ मेटल इलेक्ट्रोड एज डिटरमिन्ड विद रिस्पेक्ट टू स्टैंडर्ड और नॉर्मल हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोड is called a standard electrode potential and is designated as E0. Now there are some experimental difficulties which arise in the use of standard hydrogen electrode. Number one, it is very difficult to maintain the concentration of hydrogen ions as 1 molar. It always changes. Then the hydrogen electrode can get very easily poisoned. Even traces of impurities can poison this electrode. And third difficulty is that to maintain a pressure of 1 atmosphere for a long time is also difficult. So we may use some other electrodes as reference electrodes also. For example, we have some other reference electrodes. Most commonly used one is calomel electrode. It is its reduction potential value depends upon the concentration of potassium chloride solution used. For example, mercury in solid mercurous chloride and potassium chloride as the solution electrolyte. It's when potassium chloride is a saturated solution, then the electrode potential for this reference electrode is 0.2415 volt at a temperature of 25 degrees centigrade. For saturated solution, this is the value. If the solution's concentration is 1 normal, then this calomel electrode is called 1 normal calomel. We have the same electrode salt, but the concentration of solution is 1 normal. In this case, E0 values comes out to be 0.2800 volts. If the concentration is further reduced to 0.1 normal, then the E0 value increases to 0.3338 volts. So we have done hydrogen electrode as reference electrode, and we have done 3 types of calomel electrodes. Now, measurement of standard electrode potential of any electrode using standard hydrogen electrode. The method used is we connect the electrode whose potential is to be measured with standard hydrogen electrode. For example, if we had to measure the electrode potential value for zinc, then we will attach the zinc electrode, zinc rod dipped in zinc chloride, zinc sulfate solution, and we will attach this electrode to standard hydrogen electrode. Zinc will act as the anode, the hydrogen electrode will act as the cathode, and experimentally we determine the EMF of the cell. So you see, zinc electrode, hydrogen electrode, and voltmeter gives a reading of 0.76 volt. This is the EMF of the cell. Now, if EMF of the cell is 0.76 volt, we have a formula that EMF of cell is reduction potential of right hand side electrode minus reduction potential of left hand side. Now, right hand side we have the hydrogen electrode and left hand side we have the zinc. So we get 0.76 volt is equal to 0. We have fixed its value minus whatever is the value for zinc. So we get a formula where 2 values are known and third is unknown. We calculate this. Standard electrode potential for zinc will be, ये minus इधर चला गया, minus 0.76 volts. Similarly, to measure the electrode potential of copper electrode, we attach again hydrogen electrode and copper electrode. This time hydrogen has a better tendency than copper to give electrons, so it is acting as the anode. Hydrogen is acting as the anode, copper is acting as cathode. So and the value comes out to be 0.34 volts of the cell potential. So cell potential is equal to right minus left. Right is copper, so copper minus 0, hydrogen is 0. We get copper's value as 0.34 volt. This is how we measure the electrode potential of an electrode.